guess it's fair.
You tried to poison me.
That doesn't make it easy. In this nightmare, you chose the fucker's role. There's only so long you can keep it up before your whole world explodes. Everybody knows you're a liar, and still you go on like there's no tomorrow. You better be armed and ready when
you don't know what it's like to be an outsider, to be ashamed of how you were born, to have to hide who you are.
I'm not afraid.
I'm scared.
I know what's coming.
First, I want you to suffer as I suffered. To know what it's like to be alone and afraid. To be disgusted with him and what you are.
Didn't walk, I crawled.
He must pay for this.